Hi everyone, this is Diane, registered dietitian. I'm really excited to be able to share with you one of my favorite recipes using herbs, cilantro, mint and basil. The great thing about using herbs in cooking dishes at home is that they can really boost the flavor and add a lot of nutrition. So today I'm going to be preparing a healthy Asian herb salad. And the great thing that I love about this recipe is it's simple. Has lots of texture from the crunch of the cabbage, a lot of color from the carrots, and it also has great flavor from all the different herbs that we're going to use, and also from the peanut sauce, which is a kind of a bit of a takeoff of an Indonesian peanut sauce. So let's get started. We're going to use some Napa cabbage. I cut it up nice and fine with so it's in shreds. The great thing about Napa cabbage is that it has nice color, texture, and it's very versatile. You can use it in a stir fry or in a salad. So if you don't have Napa cabbage at home, you can use green cabbage that you just shred up. It'll work perfectly. So we just toss this in a bowl. And the great thing about all the ingredients that we're using today is they're packed with nutrition, phytochemicals, antioxidants. So they're really going to add to your health. So of course we have our carrots. You know, they're full of vitamin A. So I use a little extra here. And then we're going to be using our herbs. So first of all, we're going to use some basil. This basil has a nice, deep, robust flavor, so it's going to add a lot of depth to the dish. If you have large basil leaves, you can chop them up a little bit, or you could just tear them up, whatever you want. Easy is the way to go. So we have about a cup of basil leaves, and then we're going to add some cilantro. Cilantro has a beautiful lemony taste, so again, you can shred it up if you prefer, or you could just throw it in there. And then finally, we're going to add some mint. Mint has a nice cooling effect in the mouth, so again, it adds a lot of texture. So we'll just toss this up a little bit, just to stir it around, get everything mixed up a little bit, and then we're going to make the dressing. Okay, so we'll just throw it in. This dressing is one of my favorites. We have some peanut butter, which is a nice earthy taste, has a little bit of salt. I use the natural peanut butter, and we're just going to pop this in a bowl. And then this sauce has lots of contrasting flavors. So we've got the peanut butter. We're going to add a little bit of low sodium soy sauce to get a little bit of a little salty taste. And then balsamic vinegar, which as you know has a nice deep flavor. And just to balance things out, we're going to add just a touch of sugar. You can leave that out. So we've got the sweet, the sour going on. And of course, a little bit of garlic again to give it a little bit of depth. So we're just going to, all you have to do is mix this up. And this dish you can use as a side dish. As a salad, but if you wanted to, I have used it with shredded chicken. You can make twice the sauce, add some shredded chicken, shrimp. If you want to go meatless, you can add some tofu. So we're just going to pour this over here, and we're just going to give it a good toss and get the sauce evenly distributed over all the salad. And then finally, to give a little extra protein, a little bit of extra different texture, we're going to add some peanuts. So we'll just toss those on here, and we can put out a nice generous serving because it's full of good nutrition. There we go. So here we have Asian herb salad. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks.